Don't know what to do about that right there. Welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna work on the kick panel. We got some rust we need to remove around this top part and along the sides here and the inner fender. Get all that cleared off, straighten some pieces out. Need to hammer and dolly, get it relatively flat. And probably take the screws off of the inner rocker down here so the kick panel will fit flush against it. But that's about all I got time for tonight. It's past midnight already, and now I gotta go to work in the morning. And it's been kind of long days. We're gonna keep going on this though. Plan is to get the kick panel fitted tonight, if everything lines up right. And if we get it, then I'm gonna come back, fix this inner rocker, get it trimmed a little bit, and put that flange on there that I need to. Might do that tonight if we get the kick panel in pretty easy. Anyways, let's head over there and I'll kind of give you an overview of a little more in detail of what I plan to do tonight. Basically, we're gonna take that and put it right here. No, I gotta do some work on this to get this right. I may try to do that a little bit tonight, split that some more. Anyways, more about that later. Need to flatten this out, see how wavy it is. Straighten this up. I'm gonna wire wheel the rust off all this, especially up underneath here. I don't know if you can tell. It's pretty bad. And then we'll put that, get it up here. This needs to come this way some. Right now, I don't know if that's really how you tell, but that makes it really off level. Well, I don't know. We'll just have to mess with it and find out. But I did know those holes didn't line up with those holes at all, so something's gonna have to give. But anyways, that's all I plan on doing tonight. If I get this up and kind of take screwed in a little bit, we may take it back off and trim this up and fix that back there. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so this took longer than I would expect, but I got my measurement where it needs to be. We had to weld the loop on to lift the dash a little bit, but it's still within level. Don't know what to do about that right there. And I think this whole thing needs to move up this way a little bit because I'm missing my square for this piece, and this isn't nowhere near close to this. So I think it needs to move back a little bit. But other than that, everything else seems to be lining up pretty good. This lines up quite nice. Only thing is, this is quite a bit higher than the other piece, which I don't know if that's that big of a deal. But you can tell it's comes out more straight. And this piece angles down a little bit more. So I don't know if I need to cut it, kind of bend it back some. Don't know. If y'all have any experience with that, please let me know. And two, it seems to be just a little bit wider than the original piece. But other than that, it didn't line up down here, but I don't think the pasture side did either. Yeah, it's a little bit off, but it's not bad. Yeah, it's almost there, about the same. Forgot to take the screws out, so I didn't want to text or anything in tonight. Getting closer. Like I said, I think this whole kick panel needs to shift forward some, and that will raise that a little bit. Yeah, I didn't do much other than try to get that on there where it needs to go. Didn't mess with the inner rocker any. It's really late, and for some reason I got mosquitoes in the garage. They're eating me up. But yeah, next time we'll fit this inner rocker, take the kick panel off. Said fit this better, get this how we want it, and then we'll move on to fine tuning the kick panel. I think I'm gonna take a measurement from this corner to this, see how far the pasture side is in relation to this one, and see if this one's longer. If it is, then it needs to move this way just a little bit. Because I can bend this up a little more. It'll be closer, but still won't touch this piece, which we need to fix this piece too, get it squared away. But yeah, I don't know if y'all have any ideas how to solve that problem right there. Please let me know in the comments. If I flatten this out, then I think this whole thing is going to start turning or doing something weird. So I don't know if I need to maybe cut it and try to cut it at an angle here and just flatten it. And maybe what I do, just get rid of that bump there, that step. Anyways, if y'all know how to do that, let me know. But yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna leave it tonight. And we did a little bit of hammering over here on this piece. I didn't like how it dipped right there, so we kind of got it out a little bit. I'm also gonna measure from here to here, and then from the top and top to make sure it's not tilted a certain way, which it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than the pasture side did at this point, so I think we're all right. But yep, getting closer. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's hot out here and mosquitoes buzzing me, but can't really tell. But we got the kick panel somewhat fitted. It's our initial kind of placement. I think we're close. I think it may need to come towards the back a little bit, but we'll check all that out later. Next time, we'll take this inner rocker back off and trim it up back here and make that piece. And then we'll undo the screws up here and really try to massage the kick panel into place where it needs to be. So before I'm going to take measurements of the door, top and bottom, make sure it's not one way or the other. And I didn't do it on the passenger side, but I'll probably do it over there too, just to kind of compare to what the driver's side is compared to passenger side. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something car related. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out. It helps the channel out that you made it this far in the video. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time.